What's up, everybody? Welcome to track 2. This is the main turn that we want to practice right here. This is technically a kid's track in a way, but when the place gets really busy, they put adults here. They do have adult carts, they do have kids carts, but like I said, this is the main turn we're trying to do here. It's actually my idea. I realized that this turn is very similar to the reverse track first turn in West Palm Beach. So it ended up working out. You'll see later on in the video why it worked out. I'm can't say that my entrance or my overtake, my double overtake in the states finals was by luck. It was literally practiced. So I'm gonna show you right here. It's when I started realizing you brake too much right here, lock up the car, you basically have to trail brake perfectly in there. Let me go ahead and play the whole lap right here. So this is when I realized I was going a little bit too wide. So the closer I got to that part, you see how much closer I get to him. He realized the same thing the following race when he was following me. You have to take a different race line right there, basically. So I kept hitting the corners there. So I'm gonna fast forward this so you see the whole lap again. And then get close again right there. That was the bump I gave. That's how I knew I was getting closer and closer, but then messed it up at the end. So it was a good entry, bad exit. So I did end up winning this first race, but you look at his time. Our times got better on the second race on that day, and then this is 3 days later. So we did technically 3, if not 4 races here. So this was our best time during our practice. He did beat me at the end, whoop my time. I got to try to figure out how to get that 19.2. So this is at what we practiced right there.